Here I'm comparing the best and most expensive lead holder clutch pencil 2mm lead sharpener with the cheapest lead holder clutch pencil 2mm lead sharpener that I could find on the internet. The Staedtler and the Faber-Castell. Both are German. Now, looking at the mechanism inside the Staedtler tub, I guess this is what sharpens your lead as it turns around in the tub. I'm going to check if it's worth getting this expensive one or if you'd just be fine with this one. The portable, easy to store Faber-Castell lead holder 2mm sharpener. You can put this anywhere. You can carry this in your pocket. And this is my clutch pencil, which I'm going to be sharpening using these sharpeners. So here's an example of a lead. This lead is a 2H lead. So this is a hard lead which lasts long when you're drawing with it and is quite tough to break. I'm setting this in my pencil and I'm going to dull it so that I have a reason to sharpen it. And it's not gonna dull so easily because it's a 2H lead. So I'm gonna snap its end off. Just like that. And we have a nice dull edge on the lead, as you can see. If you hold the clutch pencil inside the sharpener tub and let the lead go, it'll set at the exact height that it needs to be. Now when I'm turning the pencil here, I can feel resistance from the sharpening. Obviously because the sharpener is trying to sharpen the lead. And I've heard from people that once you stop feeling the resistance, that's when you know that your pencil is sharpened and you can take it out. So when it moves smoothly like this, that means it's done. And it looks like that did the job perfectly. This lead looks very sharp and consistent all the way around. So now I'm going to test this pencil and it feels hard. It feels hard, sharp, consistent, and it doesn't feel like it's getting dull. That's obviously the good property of the lead. This feels good and sharp to write with. We need a dull lead again. Now it's time to sharpen it with the Faber-Castell portable lead holder sharpener to see if it's any good, to see if it's any better, and is it even worth getting the Staedtler one or not. Let's find out. Now obviously this doesn't have a cover so you can see all the mess coming out at the top. And you can't sharpen you shouldn't be sharpening your lead holder over your drawings with a sharpener like this because your drawing won't recover from the mess that this makes. Here's a close-up view so you can see nice and clearly what's going on here. It takes a little bit longer to sharpen, and maybe it's because I have to do this manually, whereas with the tub sharpener I just turn it like a crank from Resident Evil. Look at how much mess it's made from having to sharpen so much. I wonder how much lead I'm losing using each of these sharpeners. I think that's about done. Okay, that looks about sharp enough, so yeah, not as razor sharp as the maybe I could have sharpened it a bit more and it would have been a bit more pointy. Okay, I'll make it a little bit more pointy because it's only fair. I have to use this sharpener to its full potential to be able to get a fair judgment, a fair assessment of which one is better. I'm using the same lead, and it feels the same. The sharpness feels the same. Nothing's different. The only difference is that there's a big mess right there, right next to where I'm drawing. And so the tub is very convenient for not making a mess. I think the conclusion is quite easy. Use the tub sharpener at home whenever you can, and you can carry the flat one with you wherever you want. I think we have a winner here. I think we have a winner. Yep.